Jocelyn Delk Adams didn't know it at the time, but within a decade, tens of thousands would be searching the internet for her recipes for all types of food.
We have Jocelyn Delk Adams.
Best-selling cookbook author and celebrity chef.
Founder of Grandbaby Cakes and the author of Everyday Grand.
She makes cakes so good, it'll make you want to slap your mama.
I'm Jocelyn Delk Adams, a.k.a. Grandbaby Cakes.
She brought us some delicious recipes, and it's all from her new cookbook, Everyday Grand.
Food is that major connector. This book has over 80 amazing recipes that will help you celebrate in every aspect.
I mind those cookies.
I know. You know what? I know you were a cookie man because the first segment we did, you literally ate all of my... Oh!
And then what's this one here?
And that's a little baking powder. Oh, it's in there. Oh. So don't do that at home. Don't do that at home. Caramel pumpkin turtle. There we go. Turtle. There it is. I am so excited to share with you one of my favorite family recipes. Caramel pumpkin turtle pound cake using Werther's original chewy caramels. With this, we can make amazing caramel sauce in mere minutes. That looks so good, so delicious.
Cooking feel-good meals in my family brings me so much joy. Spaghetti is definitely one of those standards that is also one of my favorites. We are going to be making my twist on spaghetti and meatballs.
I can't wait to see what your twist is going to be like, Jocelyn.
These are unique sweets. Few things can beat a layer cake. I love that this cake gets its color from fresh blackberries. I mean, it's kind of purpley, it's kind of pink, maybe a little lilac. Get me a pair of shoes, maybe a purse to go along with it. So cute.
Oh my God, this is insane, y'all.
We invited 3 bakers to participate in an explosive cook-off. Now's your chance to get a taste of the competition. Download Candy Crush Saga to get ready for the tournament.
This is Santa's Baking Blizzard finale!
This is a huge challenge, but they've got to come for it. I mean, it's $25,000, like you said. I really want to see some personality, and I definitely want to see polish and clean lines and execution in everything that they do. I love the way that you integrated the ice into this. It is seamless.
I'm so glad I'm not that.
I know, I'm a little ancient.
Join me and my co-host and cake expert, Jocelyn Delk Adams.
Nice and slow.
This is Stab That Cake.
Remember, bakers, your cakes need to look real enough so that the stabbers won't detect them, and they need to be delicious just in case of a tie.
That's right. It's hide and seek with knives.
Tell me what you're working on here. So I'm working on my bag of coffee cake, and then I also have mocha filling. Oh my gosh. That coffee and that chocolate is like such a perfect blend. So you want to just let me take
Everyone out to beat me. The author and founder of Grandbaby Cakes, Jocelyn Delk Adams.
This is like my grandmother would make. It just feels so homey, and that apple really shines through. The sherbet is my thing. Like, I could eat this all night, but the presentation looked a little average.
Inspired by her grandmother's recipes, she started a food blog called Grandbaby Cakes. The goal is to make baking and cooking fun. And she insisted to me, anyone can do it.
We want to bring back intention in our lives, finding joy, finding gratitude, ways that we can just really appreciate everything in life.
Okay, and we're gonna do it through food.
We sure are, because we are making some oxtails and cornmeal dumplings. This is my peach Bellini.
Oh, damn!
Wait, is it good? Is it popping? It's so delicious.
By the way, that's another home run.
Yes.
Jocelyn comes out and hits home runs every time.
Thank you.
Get the recipe.
She never misses.